Hey everybody, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. I'm Jazz. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and give this video a big thumbs up. We're here with another video in my indoor grilling series. I do use my indoor shack grill. Today I'm going to be making some foil wraps. So I have some potatoes, some corn on the cob, some zucchini and onions. Everything has already been seasoned. I am going to be using some pre-cooked chicken strips and some butter. So I'm just going to go ahead and assemble these. Some of them are going to assemble with the corn on the cob, and others is just going to have just corn because everyone in my house doesn't like corn on the cob. I know, odd, right? And I'm also going to be, after I add the butter, I'm going to be adding some other seasoning to it. It's just some smoky truffle seasoning, salt-free. I absolutely love it. Okay, so now that we got this first one in the bag, I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up because I am making 5 of these and I don't want to torture anybody with slowly making 5 foil packs. Oh, here we go. Okay, so now that I have all of them all wrapped up and sealed, I'm going to go ahead and preheat to 350 degrees. So once it is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my foil packs. I am adding 2 at a time. And go ahead and close it up and just let it cook. Okay, we can see it's sizzling, smoking. I'm going to go ahead and check them. It has been 15 minutes. I didn't bother it at all. I just let it cook consistently for the 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up and check the potatoes. The potatoes is done. We are all good. Let me move this over a little bit so that you can see. Let me just get it open. Okay, here we go. Yep, so the potatoes are done. We are all good. I'm gonna move the camera around, bring it a little closer. Now here they both are. I have the one with the corn on the cob, and then I also have one with just the corn. These smell so good. Okay, and that is the end of my video, you guys. Thanks for watching and joining another day of grilling inside of my home. Go ahead and subscribe, share the video with a friend. See you next time. Bye.